TCsituations checking in. We're on the way to the site where we're going to be doing some work tonight.
Volkswagen Beetle TDI.
We're heading there in the diesel tonight. Yeah,
Raining a little bit.
conditions are not ideal.
Freezing my penis off.
Yeah. So we'll check in once we get there. Tune you guys into
The whole situation.
the
up
whole
in this.
quick update. Conditions have turned from not ideal to ideal. That's all. Cody, tell us what you got here.
So this is our precious new oil pan for Mr. TDI Beetle.
All right.
Let's check it out. Oh, so nice. Look at it.
Where'd you order it from?
The good old eBay. 33 something dollars. Let's see. My luck, it'll be the wrong one. It says it fits a 99 Beetle though, and that's what we're working on. We should probably fill them in on what this whole Beetle is.
Yeah.
So I went on the old cell phone and I bid on a Volkswagen Beetle. Oh look, I didn't even know that was the seal. Luckily I didn't cut that. I went on Copart. That is a salvage auction company. But this Beetle was just a donated normal wear car. And I went to unload it off the trailer. And I was running it with no oil, I found out, because there was a huge hole in the oil pan. So we're praying that
This ought to
gonna be
fix
fine.
the problem, huh?
Yeah. So, as you can see, we got the new oil pan gasket. We got a gasket maker. I guess they want us to do both. And my new cool oil pan for a 99 Beetle TDI with the famous ALH engine, which is the same as Mr. Jet over there.
There we go. So we got this bug here. We're starting to tear into it. We got Cody over there on his, that's the light you see.
I ain't worried about it. I'm coming right back.
It's got the oil filter changed on her. First order of business, clean up the mess.
Yeah, look at this. I spilt oil on my creeper. God dang freaking things these days, man. I got a huge puddle of oil I get to play in.
This is the next project.
So as you guys can see, Toner Boner wants to bring his little phone down here. There's this real nice hole in the oil pan right here. And I'll tell you what, that doesn't help a guy hold oil. So I was dumping oil in it because the oil light was on the dash. And it was never showing on the dipstick like it did the first time. And I got the sneaky suspicion to look under the car, and I found a much bigger puddle than the one that's right here the first time. So we're gonna get right into it here to replace this beesh.
Here we go. It's a handy dandy tool you got there.
My father got it for me for Christmas. And man, does that thing work good. So, a little bit of a introduction here. This is our first video here at TCsituations. We do a little bit of everything, don't we there, Toner Boner?
A little bit of everything, I'd say.
We, a couple of fellows from central Minnesota, like all sorts of different fun things like snowmobiling and cars and trucks and boats and you name it. So I don't know if you can really call this a vlog, but it's kind of like a, I don't know, what do you think, Tony? Like an update.
Yeah.
Like a fun video update.
Yeah, just kind of a project.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
So, what's the update here, Tony?
Hey, YouTube. We got our bug here. Cody just successfully got the pan out. As you can see, she looks pretty mint.
Freaking tits on top of tits, baby.
She's ready to rock. Now we just gotta scrape all the mildew and everything in there so then we can slap this
Hot, brand new pan in there.
new, fresh, shiny piece of meat on there.
Look at this old, worn out, fold up thing. Oh, look at that nice hole.
So,
Copart, you dirty, filthy liars. Isn't that right there, Toner Boner?
that's right.
So, as you can see, I made this freaking perfect gasket. Obviously, I'm never going to be a professional cake froster. What's the word you use, Tony?
A caulking guy?
A cock master?
A cock master.
Are you a cock master, Toner Boner?
I would consider myself a cock master.
Man, you're so effing cool.
So we got the new pan sitting on there now.
Putting these little bastards back in. Taking forever. Tell you what, Tony, we'd be here till 6 days from now if we didn't have this electric ratchet.
Sponsored by Milwaukee.
Milwaukee products up in this beach.
So we got Cody moving his rig out of the way. We got the oil pan all on there. Topped her off with some oil. And now we're gonna get her off the stand here and hopefully give her a rip.
Yeah, I mean, the brake pedal is hard as a rock. I think the injection pump for the brakes is out. But doesn't mean we can't go rip around the back 40 here in her and test her out a little bit.
That's right.
Tits, yeah, mother trucker.
Here at TCsituations, we don't do anything half-heartedly. We do everything full send.
I hit that light?
Nope. Listen to that diesel roar.
What's that?
I said listen to that roar, baby.
This thing is insane. It's got a little bit of a mind of its own, though.
She running on propane or what?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right.
Dang, that's nice!
Some battery dead.
Oh, you whore!
We got her plugged into the battery charger 5000 here.
You ready for
Giving
this?
the Beetle some love. Oh.
There she is, boys!
Listen to her purr. Bug eyes, baby. Well, should we hit the road, Jack?
Well, at least the back lot. We'll see how the brakes. Yeah, the brakes really don't work at all.
So we just.
I don't have my wallet. Do you have yours?
I do, yeah.
Can I get a pop?
Sure. We just rolled up to our local gas
We
station.
made her to holiday, boys. She ran pretty good.
Nice. There she is. She's just like brand new.
Hey!
All right, catch you next time on TC Situations.